Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video we're going to be learning how to download Shotcut. This should be a very straightforward and simple process, and this I would say is a very good editor tool to use. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and jump into it. So go ahead and hop onto your preferred search console and search up for Shotcut. Now, with the search results, go ahead and click on the very top. It should say it straight away, Shotcut. Once you're in the home page itself, you can find a little bit more information below about wide format, device and transport options, and just more or less about the interface itself. Go ahead and click to download. Now, there are two options there, which is for Windows 10 and 11. Now, there's two different hosts, which is FossHub and GitHub. Go ahead and click for the FossHub Windows installer. Now, you should get a little pop-up on the bottom left as shown on screen. So I may have clicked it twice there on accident, but it will download. Now, give it some time to fully download. It will take time, just depending on the internet speed as well. So I'll see you guys once it's reached 100%. So once it's fully downloaded, go ahead and click on the Shotcut itself there. Now you should get a user control, and as shown on screen, this is the license agreement. This is pretty much the setup itself. Go ahead and click on agree. Find the destination folder, so it's going to be for program files, Shotcut, so I'm happy enough with that. Click next, and then click on install. So that will just take its time, so just go ahead and wait for it. I'll wait till that's reached all the way to the end. So we're coming up onto the end here. So once it's completed, it will give you that notification on the top left. And now you'll be given the option to go ahead and close the program. Now, all you need to do is go ahead and click on your search bar on the bottom left of your computer. And if you type in Shotcut, the application should appear. All you need to do is go ahead and click on it. Now it will take a time to load. And there you have it. That is pretty much the Shotcut itself. Now to use Shotcut itself is fairly easy, so I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate that now. So I'm going to go and drag another tutorial that we've created. So drag it down to the timeline. Then you should get an option on the bottom here to pretty much scrub through it. You can move it about as well. You can cut parts off it if you want to. So if you wanted to completely cut that and eliminate it, you can do so. And there's also options for you to go ahead and duplicate that file as well. So it's the append button here. But yeah, that is pretty much the Shotcut itself. Feel free to use the application and let me know what you guys think of the application itself. But there you guys have it. That is how to download the Shotcut editor. If you guys found this tutorial helpful, please do let us know in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.